Assalamualaikum everyone. Hope you all are doing great. Welcome back to my channel for another video. Guys, today I will be briefly discussing the book that I just got done reading with. The book is called 30 Days Change Your Habits, Change Your Life by Marc Reklau. Marc Reklau is a coach, a speaker, and an author of 13 books. His mission is to empower people to create the life they want and to give them resources to really make it happen. This book is divided into 94 chapters, and each chapter offers a simple set of exercises or action steps to help and support people on the way to their goals. Guys, look around you. Look at your surroundings, the environment, and the people around you. Are you happy with what you see? How do you feel right now in this moment? Are you really satisfied with your life? Are you longing for more? If yes, then this self-help book will prove to be a valuable resource for you. Guys, the most important message in this little book is your happiness depends on you and nobody else. I would recommend all of you watching this video to get your hands on this book and read it. As Plato says, the beginning is the most important part of the work. Please like, share, and subscribe to my YouTube channel. Also, follow me on my Facebook, Instagram, and TikTok accounts. The links are given below in the description box. Stay tuned for my more upcoming videos. Thank you, and bye-bye.